Before we start, make sure to subscribe. If you love smart farming tools and powerful DIY inventions, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. In today's video, I'm building an incredibly useful DIY farming tool that will completely change the way you plant and transplant crops. The best part? It's made entirely from metal scrap, making it low-cost, eco-friendly, and super effective. This is a must-watch DIY project for anyone looking to improve efficiency and productivity on the farm. Don't go anywhere, watch the full video and learn how to build this amazing tool step by step at home. Whether you're a farmer, gardener, or DIY enthusiast, this tool will help you transplant plants quickly and safely. Save time and labor in the field. Avoid spending money on expensive equipment. This smart transplanting tool allows you to move plants from one place to another, safely, without damaging roots or slowing their growth.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.